Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be jailbreaking the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, any of those. And I'm going to be using Palera1n to do this, and Palera1n is a semi-tethered jailbreak, meaning that when your phone reboots or the battery dies, the jailbreak will be removed and you'll boot into stock iOS state, and you'll have to use a computer to re-jailbreak it. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to open a terminal. And now we need to paste in the Palera1n install command. So I already have it in my clipboard. I'll put it in the video description as well. So just paste it in just like that, and press enter. And you'll probably have to enter your password, so just enter it real quick. And then it's just going to run the Palera1n install script. And there it is, now it's in our path. So now to actually start the jailbreak process, what we want to do is we want to type Palera1n-L. You don't need to run this command as root for whatever reason. But anyways, you just want to press enter after that. And it's going to put the device in recovery mode. As you can see here, it is booting into recovery mode. This might take a moment. There it is. It's in recovery. Get out of it. Get out of it, Finder. So now we have to put it in DFU mode, which is a manual process. So what we got to do is we got to press and hold the power and volume down buttons for 4 seconds or so, 5 seconds, and then you want to release the power button and continue holding the volume down for like 6 seconds or whatever. So, Palera1n does have a handy little timer in there. You just gotta press enter. So, I'll just do that. Enter, and then hold power and volume down. Now hold volume down. And there it is. It has detected that the device is now in DFU mode, and it's just going to proceed with the jailbreak automatically. And there we go. As you can see, it's going there. And it should boot. Yeah, look at that. Palera1n. And so here we are, we're booted. So now, pretty soon here, the Palera1n app should appear on our home screen, and here it is. Sometimes this takes quite a while, actually, but it will eventually appear. So you just want to go in here, just like that, and you want to click on the package manager you want. I want this one, however you pronounce it. And I recommend that you install it too, because it's probably a little bit more user-friendly. So you just want to tap on install on whichever package manager you want. And now you'll be prompted to set a password. So I'm just going to set that real quick. You can really set this to whatever you want, but make sure you remember it. Otherwise, you won't be able to recover it without restoring your device completely. So you just want to set password like that, and it's going to install the package manager. And do some stuff there, just like that, and here we go, we can open that, sure, and you can go in there. As you can see, we are jailbroken fully. So I'd say that about wraps it up for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I have an account on the Internet Archive where I upload pre-installed virtual machine hard drive images and other dumb stuff if you're weird like me and really like installing virtual machines of every OS for literally no reason. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.